I'm going to completely strip down this 1-gang 2-way rocker light switch to see how it works. So the first thing I did was to undo the 3 screws and then to take the rocker cover off. And that's by simply putting a flat plane screwdriver in one of the sides, as you can see, on one side and then on the other side, and that meant I can pull it out. There's also, apart from a lot of grease, there's a little spring in there. Now to pull it apart, I think there's a couple of things are holding it together, and I'm going to carefully pull it up so I don't lose anything. And there it is, that's where everything goes. Now I'm going to take it apart. Now this particular unit I think is about 15 years old. I probably bought it in Screwfix. I've been stripping down quite a lot of these switches, and they vary tremendously in how they're built. This one looks like it's quite straightforward. I will be later on putting it back together again, so if you want to see me put it back together, then please go on to my next video. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.